Okay, so this is part 2 of the ionic bonding to help with homework. And here we've got the example of a magnesium atom. So magnesium's got an atomic number of 12, and 12 means it's going to have an electron arrangement of 2, 8, 2. So if I draw that out, 1, 2, and then 8 in the second, and then we have got 2, I'll put them there and there, in the third. So this is an unstable arrangement. It's going to have to try and lose 2 electrons. This is reacting with oxygen. Oxygen atom has got 6, so that's going to be 1, 2, and then 8 electrons, 2 6 is the arrangement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is a 2, 6. So again, this is not a stable arrangement at the moment. This is going to have to gain 2 electrons. This is going to lose 2 electrons. So when these two bond, we're going to get this transfer of electrons as that happens. Let's just check here. We've already said the atomic number is 12, so 12 positive protons, 12 negative electrons, no charge. Atoms always have no charge. And this side, just to confirm that, this is going to have 8 protons, 8 electrons, 0 charge. What then happens when these react? Let's work out the charges first. So still got 12 protons for magnesium. This has lost those 2 electrons, so it did have 12, it's now got 10. 12 positives, 10 negatives. This means it's going to have a +2 charge. What's that going to look like in terms of arrangement? So 10 electrons is 1, 2 in the first, and then 8 in the second. And then we put our square brackets, and we're going to put a 2+ charge to show everyone it's lost those 2 electrons. On this side, at the beginning it had 8 protons, it still does have. Electrons, it's gained 2, so 2's moved across, so it did have 8, it's now got 10. 8 positives and 10 negatives, that's going to have a -2 charge. 8 electrons are 1, 2, and then followed by the electrons. I'll leave those in green so we can remember that they've moved across. I'm going to put my square brackets on, and that is a 2- ion, so -2 ion. These two again attract each other, electron attractions, that's why they come together, and that is the bond that is forming. That's part 2. Part 3 I'll do separately, and that again will help with your homework.